Not that I do a nice piece of song. Imagine that I sang about 15 years ago. Oh no.
Yeah. This is boy Black. AKA Dot Dot Dot. Dot Dot Dot. Got another one for my island. Set it on my chest. Set it on my chest. Yes, I'm a soul. I never had a problem getting dough. Making this music's all I know. So hold on tight 'cause I'm a blow. It don't shatter me right. On 6 or 7 we ride. It show me life. Set it on my chest. Yes, I'm a soul. When heads talk mess, I lose control. Using my fist, that's all I know. On my own 2 feet, go blow for blow. But you got a problem, now you know I'm live. Never had a problem to go inside. Messing with me, it's a suicide. Take it to the jungle where you won't survive. Hit them blue wet on the 7 pain. Turning your face like my dome for stain. Hypnotized rim, make it go insane. Just like a bubblehead, bubbling brain. Ride in the swerve from lane to lane. I'ma let the whole world know my name. Doing my thing 'cause I'm a pro. Set it on my chest 'cause I'm a soul. Set it on my chest, yes, I'm a soul. I never had a problem getting dough. Making this music's all I know. So hold on tight 'cause I'm a blow. It don't shatter me right. On 6 or 7 we ride. And it show me life. See me in the street, if you see me in the club, with a gang of killers, don't mean to be rude, that's how I do. Yeah, spot with a buck so mean, tilt to the side 'cause I'm sipping that lean. My sweat so loose, gotta be the goose, passing life like a photo shoot. Now I'ma do me, you do you. My wrist so cold, don't catch a flu. On my flag, got red and blue. Yes, I said it, red and blue. You're talking, don't waste my time. Don't worry about yours, don't worry about mine. Dropping hits, it's in my soul. Set it on my chest 'cause I'm a soul. Set it on my chest, yes, I'm a soul. I never had a problem getting dough. Making this music's all I know. So hold on tight 'cause I'm a blow. It don't shatter me right. On 6 or 7 we ride. And it show me life. Set it on my chest, respect my mind. I spit Creole anytime. In the booth, they know I rhyme. So in the hood, you know I shine. Facets on my soul. What it do to the people I know. So all my strippers on the pole. And all my fellas going troll. He puts you on some game. Souls ain't never called no lane. We seen the worst and felt the pain. Cloudy weather filled with soul. United we stand, divided we fall. They can't break me, not at all. So stack my chips, never go broke. Set it on my chest 'cause I'm a soul. Set it on my chest, yes, I'm a soul. I never had a problem getting dough. Making this music's all I know. So hold on tight 'cause I'm a blow. It don't shatter me right. On 6 or 7 we ride. And it show me life. Yeah, for my island, tatted on my chest.
Before I drop off the Rastafari, that's showing you body that I don't know which other tune we can play right now.
Yeah, this is boy Black, AKA Dot Dot Dot. Dot Dot Dot. Got another one for my island. Tatted on my chest. Set it on my chest, yes, I'm a soul. I never had a problem getting home. Making this music's all I know. So hold on tight 'cause I'm a blow. It don't shatter me right. On 6 or 7 we ride. And it show me life. Set it on my chest, yes, I'm a soul. When heads talk mess, I lose control. Using my fist, that's all I know. On my own 2 feet, go blow for blow. I'm a pro. Got it on my chest 'cause I'm a soul. On my chest, yes, I'm a soul. I never had a problem getting home. Making this music's all I know. So hold on tight 'cause I'm a pro. Don't set me right. Where the gang of killers just want to. Don't mean to be rude, that's how I do. Yeah, yeah, much of me. Chill to the side, cause I'm flipping that lean. My swag so loose, gotta be the goose. Flashing lights like a photo shoot. Now I'ma do me, you do you. My wrist so cold, don't catch the flu. On my flag, got red and blue. Yes, I said it, red and blue. If you're talking, don't waste my time. Worry about yours, don't worry about mine. Dropping hits, it's in my soul. Let it on my chest, 'cause I'm a soul. Let it on my chest, yes, I'm a soul. I never had a problem getting home. Making this music's all I know. So hold on tight, 'cause I'm a pro. Don't set me right. Respect my mind. I spit Creole anytime. The booth, they know I rhyme. When the hood, you know I shine. My center on my soul. What it do to the people I know. All my strippers on the pole. All my niggas going troll. If he puts you on some game, those ain't never on no lane. We seen the worst and felt the pain. Cloudy weather filled with rain. United we stand, divided we fall. They can't break me, not at all. Stack my chips, never go broke. Put it on my chest, 'cause I'm a soul. Put it on my chest, yes, I'm a soul. I never had a problem getting home. Making this music's all I know. So hold on tight, 'cause I'm a pro. Don't set me right.
Yo. I go on Mr. Gradually now for some cake. Rascal, my phone drop off.
Yeah. This your boy Black, aka Dap Dap Dap. Dap Dap Dap. Got another one for my island. Tatted on my chest. Says tatted on my chest, yes, I'm a soul. I never had a problem getting down. Making this music's all I know. So hold on tight, 'cause I'm a pro. Don't set me right. Yes, I'm a soul. When heads talk mess, I lose control. Using my fist, that's all I know. On my own 2 feet, go blow for blow. But you got a problem, now you know I'm not. Never had a problem, go inside. Messing with me is a suicide. Take you to the jungle where you won't survive. Hit them blue wing on the 7 pain. Burning your face like a dope stain. Hypnotized rim, make it go insane. Just like a bubblehead, bubbling brain. Ride in the swerve from lane to lane. I'ma let the whole world know my name. Doing my thing 'cause I'm a pro. Tatted on my chest 'cause I'm a soul. Tatted on my chest, yes, I'm a soul. I never had a problem getting down. Making this music's all I know. So hold on tight 'cause I'm a pro. And don't set me right. On 6 or 7 we ride. And show me life. See me in the street.
steer nice at the back. Oh, that. Oh, yeah, the brake shoe want change the brake here. Yeah. The brake pad done. The brake pad want change. Mama. I said, I pray to the spiritual one if you can make that come up as I'm going to take it on. The mother. Man, get her out of the country before nuclear war played out. Well, want to get her out. You hear the blood keep growing at the back. Yeah, man. Today is Sunday, you know, dog. Pagan Sunday. All one day in the name of a pagan deity. By the creator still make him universal. Oh, I see traffic jam. A Sunday this, you know, dog. This is not Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you know. Not even Saturday, you know. A Sunday this, you know, look at. Yeah, crawl from the half ramp. Boom, but yo. We're gonna play Rihanna. We're gonna show you Rihanna them sound Rihanna. What's your name again? What's the name? That song like kinda nice and that song like a nice little evil unite.
Oh na na, what's my name? 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 What's my name? What's my name?
Yeah, I heard you good with them soft lips. Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out. Good white wine. I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah. Okay, away we go. Only thing we have on is the radio. Oh, let it play. Say you gotta leave, but I know you wanna stay. You just waiting on the traffic jam to finish, girl. The things that we can do in 20 minutes, girl. Say my name. Wear it out. It's getting hot, crack a window, air it out. I can get you through a mighty long day. Soon as you go, the text that I write is gonna say,
oh na na, what's my name? Oh na na, what's my name? Oh na na, what's my name? What's my name? What's my name? Everybody knows how to work my body, knows how to make me want it. Boy, you stay up on it.
Bueno. Yeah, man, again. Alright, see you later, change, bro. Yeah, the brake at the back. This part they want to change enough for real. I don't know, $60, you know. 60, what's it called? $56 plus tax for the front brake pads. They do with them charge me $100 for changing. I think they overcharge man $100.
Life is
Yeah, man, them charge me $100 for changing thing. Yo, the thing you move away and I forgot the creek.
Oh, na, na, what's the name? Oh, na, na, what's the name?
Yeah, man.
What's the name? Oh, na, na, what's the name? Oh, na, na, what's the name? What's the name? What's the name?
Yeah. I heard you good with them soft lips. Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out. Go, white wine. I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah. Okay, away we go. Only thing we have on is the radio. Oh, let it play. Say you gotta leave, but I know you wanna stay. You just waiting on the traffic jam to finish, girl. The things that we can do in 20 minutes, girl. Say my name. Wear it out. It's getting hot, crack a window, air it out. I can get you through a mighty long day. Soon as you go, the text that I write is gonna say.
Oh, na, na, what's the name? Oh, na, na, what's the name? Oh, na, na, what's the name? What's the name? What's the name? Everybody knows how to work my body, knows how to make me want it. But boy, you stay up on it. You got this something that keeps me so off balance. Baby, you're a challenge. Let's explore your talent. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you, 'cause you're just my type. Oh na 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 na, I need a boy to take it over. Looking for a guy to put in work up. Oh, 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 oh. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey
Look for one on the banana bread.
be with you, 'cause you're just my type. Oh na na.
Look for one on the banana bread and Mr. Russell did so you have it nice. So for them boy, I don't eat our banana bread in it, but I know what's our food get them nice. Bomba.
What's the name?
See that? Both are for a little piece.
What's the name? What's my name?
It tastes like jump. It tastes like taste right one.
And ain't nowhere that I'd be than with your arms around me. Back off you rock me, yeah. So I surrender to every word you whisper.
They don't taste like the Cuban them one.
I will
The Cuban them around the coffee shop near Cortadito. Which part we stop when I come from Key Biscuit and Sundays. For them banana bread tastes really and truly overwhelmingly nice, kind of sweetish though, but it's really, really attractive. Jamaican make for them one different.
You're so amazing. You took the time to figure me out.
I need a different work, you know. My BMW work slow down, you know. I need a different work, you know, to get money to blow. Sure. I like Rip Win that, you know. One buck that. Fuck you that.
What's the name? Oh na na, 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 what's the name? What's the name? What's the name? Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you, 'cause you're just my type. Oh na 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 na, I need a boy to take it over. Looking for a guy to put in work up. Oh, 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 oh. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you, 'cause you're just my
We're at now 44 million subscribers.
I need a boy to take it over.
I got me read out here, sir. The video get 3.5 million likes. And have 1 billion views, 46,449,438. Blood, yeah, look at. Thing nothing on dog. Anyway, a long time more song for go 1 billion now because I showed you really nice hit song and the money will produce it. I want me so me can't sing right now. I can't read of Rihanna, blah blah blah. A girl that sings some nice tune. Imagine if Rihanna never born, man, you would never hear song like these. The first song I love about Rihanna in the dog, that one here, no. Bumbo Cleat, yeah, dog. The first song of the girl, I don't know, I remember it. Wait name again. In 2005 release, I'm there in Jamaica, me I walk and I hear it in some vehicle or something like that. I'm saying, yo, the thing hold me in my head, yo. Over the Blood Cleat song name again, dog. Jano Star. Let me see if I can find it. You see it, huh? It's nothing that you need. The girl that writes a nice song. If she write it, but it really do well. Really do
I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl. Your girl.
Don't really alone make your song nice.
What you need, then baby, come and share my world. Share my world.
Nice.
If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me. With me. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Baby. Now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down. Be that one to share your everything when no one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams. 'Cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can trust in me. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your home. If you want, then you should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. Share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Walk with me. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Baby. It's been so long, I've had this feeling that we could be everything you've ever wanted in your fantasy. I won't push too hard to break your heart, 'cause my love's sincere. I'm not like any other girl, you know. So let me erase your fears. Dee-dee-dee-da-dee-dee-da-dee-day. So just call me whenever you're lonely. Dee-dee-dee-da-dee-dee-da-dee-day. I'll be your friend, I could be your homie. You should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. Share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Walk with me, baby. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Oh, if it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl. Make me your girl, baby. If it's something that you need, baby, come and share my world. I got what you need, so come share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Walk with me. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your homie. Be your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. Share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Come and take a walk with me. I got it right here, baby. Baby. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. What I think about you, boy. I got what you need, so come share my world.
Yo, the song nice, yo. The song nice, yo. And nice because I'm going to run turn billionaire for me. Less than 20 years to blood. I'm in America, how long the blood? I can't buy a brand new car of blood teeth. Come for this blood clot, how long nearly 20 years now, and all know I can't have 10 grand on my account or half. I just want like a 5,470 something that I'm sending to Jamaica to buy a car, although it's not sufficient. Still can't buy a used car and go and bounce around. It's a read of it. send the money to my cousin Terry for him go for a bum and bike, but him have a lot of complain and talk about him business and him this and him that and him stress, and you know, it just feel like I wanna try to pay and give him talk when him a use your money, you know. But ask him to transfer the money to Mr. Reed get it, so therefore one thing boy, I know Mr. Reed can go out and find one car for me and even try to get one and pack up and yard. Him tell me, I don't know what him can do. I don't know if he want how much money he want to use those are the things still just in case if you not jam. But that's what not really let me down still, you know. I don't really want no bad vibes, you know. I'm not killing thing, you know. If I look for a man you know over 30 years now if you go kill him because he use your money. I don't really want that play out of blood clan. I really want it play out here because go down and them still alive and I get my money from them and them I go for boom and buy a vehicle and thing and thing. Really love to win enough money and bring down to Jamaica. The Chinese you yet more want buy the young one you yet. I like the vehicle them man. The technology of the vehicle them it all true, you know. The technology of the vehicle them really all true, you know, where the vehicle them really all true. The young one them. So I say me well want blouse and skirt by yo, I say yo, I just like the design of the vehicle man. Young one you yet. Them pricey, them $100,000. See them after stuff alright. Young one you yet. Boy you're bad, you know yo. Real one of them, but if me win big money by yourself, like I get a dream, so me get win whole heap of millions. Want buy at least 4 of them or a dozen of them and bring to Jamaica or more. Them really actually should be bad man. Me I buy them and me I buy all of the parts of them, battery pack and wheel and tire and all of them things for them. And carry them. Me I buy all the container ship too. That me I try one. Want buy all the container ship too where you can carry car night. Car thousands of car night or hundreds of car. But you know the container ship them gonna be they call them vehicle there. The public transport. What do you call them? And a cargo. It's a kind of cargo. Cars and trucks are cargo, but what do they call them again, bro? I don't know, man. You see the price for the BYD, you know, U8 is really expensive shit. But you know, it's like a bit of money compared to people. Some people have high net worth. I mean, the shit can do tank turn 360 degrees, also can take itself sideways out of a parking lot. The Chinese have come up with some innovative thing. I don't know if it's their concept or the European men that they have some of their designers. I mean, it could be European men, particularly German men, that the Chinese hire to be designers to them and you know, mental brainstormers that think of different type of concepts to put in electric vehicles. The electric vehicle, it must not be allowed to overtake combustion engine. Combustion engine is very efficient and it doesn't give you any real battery problems. The thing with the electric vehicle is that when you charge the shit, you know, the battery properties, they only can retain so many electrons and so on. And then whenever the cold weather set in, those electrons are not being distributed from the positive side or from the negative side to the positive side. So the temperature, when it's low, the environment is cold and therefore the electrons can't have that catalyst of moving from one side of the battery or the cell from the negative side to the positive side, because that's how the electron flow in our circuit. You know, the white man them say them white because their skin yellow, you know, so they call the part that is positively charged by the red wire. Them identify it by a red wire, and the part that is negatively charged, them identify that by a black wire. The German them use brown wire. Japanese them use black wire. Them and the Americans them. But what the side that they call negative is that side of the accumulation of more electrons than the side that they call the plus side, the positive side. So whenever they connect a circuit from the battery plus side to some device that use electrons, which they call the load, like a radio or amplifier or something, then they plug it to the negative side and they use a switch now to control it, and then basically put regulate it. So the electrons them stream from the negative side of the battery, and they go in one direction and go through the device that uses it, and then it performs the little work, and then whatever left, it comes back into the positive side of the battery. So the battery depleted that way to put back electrons into a battery, they have to charge it with another source, and you know, they have to have water in it and other catalysts to make it accept electrons. You know, one thing with electrons, they are electromagnetic properties that come out from them. They kind of bound to a proton. Proton in an atom is positively charged, and a neutron is negatively charged, and it develops a magnetic field, and the magnetic field attracts the electrons to orbit around the nucleus of an atom. So therefore now, I wonder if creating a magnetic field in our battery would it increase the amount of electrons on the negative side, and then through that magnetic field is always there, the electrons always being kicked out, you know, of the substance of the water and the catalyst, and then it will always be a constant source of energy going back and forth, where you will have a source just to create the magnetic field, but it will be stronger. The electrons gathered up and then used, it will be stronger, and a lot more of them will be there when you use a magnetic field than you use a source to generate electricity and let electrons flow from a source to the collector, which is going to be the battery. And that's the thing, you know, how to use electromagnetic frequencies or electromagnetic field to generate electrons in a battery. All right, you see, electric vehicles, my concept basically put is to use some kind of a continual electrical generation for at least two wheels. You see, I don't know why someone in the USA, Europe, or the, you know, over the Orient, over China, does not come up with this concept of, you know, you make an electric vehicle, right? Usually you make four wheels having electric motors turning, right? And their source is the battery, right? And over time, when that battery get depleted, you'll be charging it at a point of sale for electrical current that you buy. Now, what if we have this situation? They make at least two of the wheels to play the role like a generator, like an alternator, and it replenish the batteries. For if the battery in the electric vehicle goes down, say 5%, 10%, software system with hardware there, computer control now the turning on of the output from the wheels. That will be, you know, once the vehicle is rolling, you can use that motion energy to generate an electromagnetic current using magnetic field, right, such as a stator, just like you see in an alternator. And then if they're smart, they can make the vehicle run continually. The vehicle do not have to go anywhere and charge, really. The vehicle just need to run continually by having two wheels perform charging with rotation, electromagnetic force, and, you know, magnetic influx, you know, and then it played the role like an alternator, but you'd have to increase the kilowatts of it in such a way to keep the battery up and so on and so forth. And then while you have two wheels at the back pushing the vehicle, it could be vice versa. You could have the power to drive the car at the front wheels or at the back, and then the remaining two wheels, you have them to roll over like an alternator and create electromagnetic influx, which will charge the battery. All of that is possible. The electric vehicle can be designed in such a way where it can run continuously forever until one of the circuits in it break down, and they repair it and they continue going on and on. It's really efficient. You know, you could, you know, but I do not know why the dudes these board of directors and these engineers don't come up with a concept like that. Maybe somebody put it out there, but they find out if they give people eternal running electric vehicles, they're not going to be able to buy a new one made within the next 3 or 2 years or the next year. So they kind of keep the people in bondage to them and their love of money for their shareholders. So that is the reason why these people are not making that kind of vehicle. If anybody have like a lot of money and you win a large amount, you could actually develop that concept, making an electric vehicle where it has two wheels drive the vehicle, and it has two wheels that play the role of an alternator that replenishes the battery. And don't use lithium battery. Lithium battery is bullshit. I don't know why these dudes always have to come up with lithium battery. The car batteries are kind of big and heavy, But if they can make the batteries for electric vehicle like car batteries, I don't think they will catch a fire. And if they are pierced with a metal like a nail or something, they won't cross circuit and short it and then set the car on fire like it would be for a lithium battery that power these modern days electric cars. That is particularly developed by BYD anyway. And so, you know, if you have an electric vehicle like what they now have, you're taking a risk of buying it and then you have it at your home parked inside of the garage. And then for some reason a short circuit happened, and then the lithium circuits are crossed, and then a fire developed in the lithium battery, and that fire, it takes 40,000 gallons of water to put that shit out. You know, shit burn and burn, electrons just running and running and running uncontrollably, and develop a fire and start to make the car burn and to burn your house down. So that lithium battery bullshit substance which you're using is bullshit. I don't like the shit, dog. Once fire developed from lithium, if the circuits are crossed inside, you could simply drive a nail, even through a phone battery. You see this phone right here? This phone right here, lithium battery is what powered it, right? If you somehow know where the battery is located here, and it says it's a phone you want to throw away, you can just drive a nail through it with an hammer, and then you see the shit start to smoke, and then it start to explode in a ball of fire. That is what is on the modern day electric vehicles. And that shit will burn your house down, and even burn up another car that is parked beside it, you know? So it's a risk to really buy electric vehicle. At the current technology that they apply there are deployed in it, you know, with lithium battery. Lithium battery must be replaced, man. I don't think it's the only source of energy where the battery of a lithium substance, where the lithium substance put in a battery or to make a battery is efficient to say all electrons and so on and so forth. That's why they use it, because they thought it is efficient at electron storage. You know, the electrons might not deplete it as fast as much. You know what I mean? So that's why I think they use that. So my concept now is to get a substance that electric vehicle battery, not lithium. Lithium is dangerous and it's very poisonous. Lithium come like I don't know, is it a metal? A non-reactive metal or something? I don't know. I have to look on the periodic table of elements to see that. Yeah, we need to find something that in sodium ion batteries, sodium directly replaces lithium. Not unlike lithium ion batteries. Sodium batteries contain 4 main components: the anode, the cathode, the electrolyte, and the separator. Oh, it comes like more like a car battery then. The state of electrolyte varies depending on the manufacturer. Alright, so that is what they tell you what sodium ion battery that they use. They think that they're saying it's more efficient. I don't know, more safer. Alright, so this website is telling us blah blah blah. I mean, there's a lot of things to do, you know. Well, a whole lot of development you have to go into. I mean, the world is coming to an end. The next 5 years from now, nuclear war is up on us. And I mean, a lot of things that people are investing in is gonna become a disappointment. They're gonna come to a screeching halt. They were actually get destroyed by Persia. Miami get destroyed by Persia. Washington DC, USA then retaliate on Iran, destroy a couple of their cities, and then keep bombing them until they finally surrendered and stop firing missiles. And they're gonna win, like, they're gonna dominate Persia. But that is gonna cause the Russian and Chinese forces now to defend Persia. That USA don't compete to destroy them and wipe them out. Because the fun of it, I wish you up to. Yeah, man. So see next 5 years from now in this country, many people do not know, you know, how they're gonna end up. Many people do not know how they're gonna end up in this country. You see, enough people right now is actually they are living their lives every day and going out there to get money, and they are not actually seeing what is going to play out later on. You see, the prophecies in the book of Daniel and the book of Revelation of 2 nations fighting. The nation from the north is Greece and Rome, and their children today are England and USA and Canada, and those also in South America. But the USA is playing a dominant role of talking about they are this kind of a world government over other countries, and that is bullshit. What they are saying, you know, that they are world government and that their jurisdictionary measures and their man-made policy now, it will still affect other foreign nationals. And if people don't comply with USA rules, they're going to have something evil done to them by the USA government and their court system. So the USA government, through their run rat race first and collect a lot of the scientists from Germany during the time of World War II, when some of them were like making good their escape, and then some of them must be brought to trial at Nuremberg. The USA collected some of them, and then Von Braun is one of them that they used to develop missile system, advanced missile system for them, because the Germans had that first. And that is the reason why the USA have so much missiles, and then they also have the nuclear missile, because Albert Einstein came to America, and he probably attended school there, and then he was probably a professor, and then he come up with the M equal MC square, something like that. Alright? So therefore they come up with the idea of creating fission. They do it in a lab, it worked, and then they do it on a bigger scale, and they make a couple of hydrogen. No, they didn't make hydrogen, but atomic bomb out of uranium. And then they have it over other countries now. They'll be able to use it on Japan and end the war. And then now the USA keep building, and then the UK get it, then the Russians get it, then France get it, Germany, and then Israel, and then India, Pakistan get it, and now the Muslim nations of Iran, you know, even the Saudi Arabian people, they are the last to start to develop theirs. So as a result of that, now the USA government and their military forces in the region can now trespass against the Muslim nation of, you know, Iran, and also the Palestinian them, as pertaining to the Jews them that want to come from Europe and say that Canaan land belongs to them. Canaan land does not belong to the Jews. The people who are actually calling themselves the seed of Abraham is not. They're found to be liars. These people are coming out of the kingdom from the north, from Greece and Rome. Those are the people that they came out from. Their interest in the area is as a result of the Persian Empire. The Achaemenid Empire of the Persians used to rule Egypt and in the Middle East here, and Babylon, and also in India. And they also rule in Asia Minor, which take into consideration areas of Turkey and areas of the Balkans. And also they want to rule Greece. But Greece don't want to come under Persian rule. And Greece don't want to be on their knees and actually turn out to be subservient, or worse, they could be slaves and get killed. So the Greeks them mustered up all the manpower that they can find, and they conquer the Persian forces and cause them to recede and run away. Alexander the Great is known to winning that battle. From that time when he won, the book of Daniel talk about 2300 morning and evening sacrifices. Those are actually days, talking about one day is for a morning and evening sacrifice, taking into consideration 2 action that must be done in one day. So therefore now you get 2300 morning and evening sacrifices. The 2300 morning and evening sacrifices must be seen as type and shadow or figure of speech from the point of view of Yahweh, that say that the war between the Greeks and the people from the Middle East, the Persian them and their children continues the war for 2300 years. It takes it down to the end of 6,000 years when Persia going to perform follow-up to fulfill the prophecy of the ride of the red horse that is foretold here in the book of Revelation chapter 6 verses 3 and 4. The United States really uses the word law and the word peace to implement their military campaigns around the world. So you have 4 horses that is in the book of Revelation. When the seal was released, it gives the sound of thunder. That is a type and shadow of the United States developing the atomic weaponry and using it on Japan. Because indeed, when the bomb goes off, it gives off a sound of thunder. That is the historical reality that fulfilled the first seal being released or fulfilled by world historical events by the children of Lucifer. So that is how that is fulfilled. Many people, you know, in the world, they do not know to look at it that way. So therefore, it's when the time of the ride of the red horse shall ride against the west and launch against them, they will not know that it's Persia that is going to play that role. Many of the people are going to be caught off guard. And they're going to be in their beds too when the nuclear weapon from Iran comes over New York City and Miami and Washington, D.C. The United States is the ride of the white horse because they have violated the Africans with slavery and then compare their yellow flesh towards black men's skin color and say that they are white. So the whole country is saying that they are that, even Canada too and South America. And they are the children from the king of the north. So they violate the children of the Most High and use slavery and other form of killing and imprisonment and, you know, to wear them out. Those writing are in the book of Daniel, those foretelling. So the king of the north now, over here in the west now, is not really Europe anymore. The location, the geological location has changed to come further west on the planet. It's over here now in the USA, because USA is really north, you know, of the equator. And they also in parallel with Europe. You know, New York City is a new city located in the New World. And New York City, let me see now. New York City now, their latitude and longitude. New York City longitude is about, see the United States latitude is 40.7 degrees north. And it is in line with Vatican. Vatican City is, I think Vatican City is really 41. Let us see if I can find Vatican City. United States located at, New York City in the New World. This country that set up several hundred of years ago by motherfuckers who come over here and commit murder and stole land. They are having a city to replicate the city of York in London. So they call the new city over in the New World New York City, because it's there to mimic or copy it off of the city of London called, well, a city in London called York, or City of York. You know, so look at it now. See that? These are the geological coordinates of the Vatican. See, 41.9 degrees north. Okay? So it and New York City is in the same, we call it now, latitude, going north. Latitude measures distance from north to south and from south to north. Lines of longitude that come this way, they measure distance around the planet from east to west or west to east. So Iran will destroy a city located at near the 45 degrees latitude. And Nostradamus also writes in his prophecies of what he calls centuries. 100 prophecies, Nostradamus called it centuries. When he writes 1,000 prophecies, he called it quatrain. In some of those writings, he talk about that there's a new city located in the New World that located at near the 45 degrees latitude shall burn at 45 degrees. It is New York City and also Vatican City, because the two cities are almost at the same near 45 degrees latitude. Then really, one is at 40.7 and the other one is at 41.9. So Yahweh actually is calling the Vatican City mother of others and the abomination of the earth. And talk about, oh, she sit as a queen and she's no widow and she shall see no sorrow. So it has to be either Iran gonna burn her or Russia. You know, see? Yes. But me know for 100% sure that Nostradamus had foretold that Iran, a leader from Iran in the future, will show no mercy. In cold, human, cruel heart, he will destroy many people in the New World, in the new city that located near the 45 degrees latitude. It is really New York City, my talk. I read that. Because New York City is a great city, you know. It's a great financial city. And it too is like unto a woman that is decked with gold and silver and precious stones. Because many times, you know, when you go to New York City, you know, and you go to those hotels, you know, you see some look of some marble stone. But you also look at some other decoration in there look like gold. And you also look at the escalator. They look like silver. When you go for escalator, I really chrome you look for, they look like silver. So all of them things you know really depicted in the book of Revelation chapter 18 now. Because the Vatican itself is decked with precious gold and silver based off of the wealth them get from the public when them deceive. With them false teaching. So the same thing with New York City, it's rich than the Vatican because it's a big trading city. And they're the number one trading city in the world. And it also USA stock exchanges and the government treasury bonds and treasury bills are traded there. So therefore now New York City now will be in the prophecy to be destroyed by Iran, according to what Nostradamus is saying in his writing of his quatrain or his centuries. You know what I mean? Many people today, you know, they're not even paying attention to what the news is saying about Iran building up nuclear weapons. Yes, the Iranian, them, you know, them have them right to build up nuclear weaponry, just like how the European powers build it up. But the United States and Israel and the UK, fearful of Iran, come to be a nuclear power, knowing that it will be no punishment for them for past wrongdoing. So that is the reason why now they want to suppress them with sanctions. And also Israel do not want the military balance of power to be changed in the Middle East, where they now are having nuclear weapons there, and then Persia, a Muslim nation, now turn out to have it. So it will change the balance of power in the region, and then Israel now have to be fretting and wonder if a Muslim nation now having a very unmerciful, cruel leader will come to launch and then wipe out the Jews now in Canaan land. Alright, you see the problem with Iran? It is not really a problem caused by Iran. It is caused by the same man them from the north. Them forecast devices against Saddam Hussein, and them also forecasting devices against the Ayatollah Khomeini, who had come to Iran back in 1979 from France when he wrote letters from France to the Iranian people telling them to overthrow the Shah and arrest him. And from that time, yes, him come back to Iran, and then him be the supreme leader until he died somewhere in 1989. Alright? And then his office passed to another one. Alright? So the European nation of England, they know that oil was discovered in the Middle East back in the 1928, 1929. And they started to build refineries there. They made deals with the Saudi Arabians, and they also discovered that oil was in Iraq, and oil also was found in Persia, probably 1933 or 1936. So they start to, go there as the ones from the north who have the knowledge of how to build refineries. So true, they are the ones who are gonna put some money into building refineries. They want their oil companies to own at least 51% of the share of any oil company that will be mining oil from the Middle East. That's how the United States do it, and their brothers in England, because they want to have voting rights and decision-making power when it comes to who shall be on the board of directors, because they are actually taking into consideration their brothers and sisters who are wealthy, who put up the money as shareholders to buy the equipment to build a refinery, and then it goes on from there to build up a big oil company to do manufacturing, processing, refining, and logistics, So all those monies must be accounted back for whenever the oil is sold. The shareholders get back their investment return. So that is the reason why the USA government and UK and those European men, they use their wisdom in such a way to make themselves own 51% of any share, or 51% of any total amount of share in any given company, if they should put their money, because they don't want to actually have other people to manage the company and it bankrupt and they lose their money, and they do not know what to tell their investors of their own people. You know what I mean? So that is the reason why they want to always own 51%, and then the other side own roughly 49%. So that's the deal they make with the Iranian oil company back then in those times. But Mossadegh get voted in 1953 and then nationalized the Iranian oil company. Alright? British Royal Dutch Shell, that was the company that was the dominant player in owning 51% of the oil stakes in Iranian oil company. So Mossadegh comes in to nationalize it. Mossadegh, I'm gonna see if I can him name Mohammed Mossadegh. Here he is right here. Mohammed Mossadegh. Here's our guy right here. This bad boy right here. Him is the one, and his brothers come up with the idea of that the USA and England is working against them, and indeed they are enemies from a long time. They are enemies from a long time, going back way hundreds of years, or probably 2,000 years, where their forefathers used to try to rule up in the north, and then the Greeks fight back, and then the Persians them lose and recede, and so on and so forth. But the problem with the West and the Europe is that they're still in the era after their fathers had won a war against the Achaemenid Empire, the Persians. The USA and England still, want to be the Middle East to draft it up, to divide it up for gain, and that now caused them to now kill Muslim men, and Muslim men fight back and kill USA troops or English troops or European troops, and then the fighting go back and forth. So it keep the prophecy of the war for 2,300 years alive. That's how the prophecy for 2,300 years of the war between the king of the north and the king of the south is kept alive. And I see it because Yahweh them allow them to fight up until the last year of 6,000 years. Now, when the summer season is finished in the last year of 6,000 years, on the 14th day of the 7th month, Yahweh them triggered off the great global earthquake, which is foretold in Revelation chapter 6 verses 12. Alright, he's going to use that to bring the appointed time of the Gentiles to an end. He's going to bring a large amount of people to an abrupt end and bury them alive with the earthquake. People from the east, people from the far west over here, and those in Europe in the north, and those in the south, in the Middle East and Africa. Because a large amount of these people, billions of them, them is deceived by the Gentile men from the north. And them also deceived by the Gentile men from the south. The king of the north and the king of the south, the two of them are children of Lucifer, and the fallen angels them. So the two of them spread false testimony in them spiritual teaching to the world, and put now deceitfulness in them head. So the deceitfulness, Yahweh them know I call the mark of the beast now. But no for them don't know say that Even the Christian people them don't know say that. Him a call the mark of the beast because him refer to the men from Babylon as beasts, as lion, and it has eagle's wings until the wings were plucked and made to stand up on his feet as a man. And then now Daniel see a leopard with 4 wings on the back of it. You know, see it? Cool. So the yellow skinned man from Babylon and the man from Persia, as if they were the one and the same. Because y'all them call them beasts, you know. I remember, you know, a third empire come now, Greece. You see it? Oh, Greece are the leopard with 4 wings. And then Medo Persia are the bear. We have 3 ribs in the mouth or the teeth of it. You know, see it?